Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer, for quarts, 6 speeds with quick burst, bowl rest, 290 watts peak power. 2 products in 1. Why take up room in your kitchen for 2 mixers when one space-saving appliance does it all? The stand mixer is perfect for thick mixtures like cookie and bread dough, and the hand mixer easily unlocks from the base for quick mixing jobs. 5 attachments and 4 QT stainless steel bowl. Set includes 2 traditional beaters, 2 dough hooks and whisk, and the 4 QT bowl is large enough to accommodate your favorite recipes. For easy cleanup, attachments and bowl are dishwasher safe. Powerful motor for all your mixing needs. The 290-watt peak power * motor lets you easily do everything from mixing batter and kneading thick dough to whipping fluffy meringue. Bowl moves side to side for thorough mixing. As you mix, the shift and stir lever lets you move the bowl from side to side to provide thorough mixing for all your ingredients. 6 speeds cover every mixing task. Go from slowly folding ingredients all the way up to whipping at top speed. This hand mixer has 6 speeds to cover every mixing task and a quick burst button for an extra burst of power at any speed. Thanks for watching and subscribe.